Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to improve fuel efficiency of petrol car, full guide. Start by checking tire pressure, engine oil grade, and simple driving habits to save fuel immediately. Focus on smooth acceleration, steady cruising, and timely gear changes to reduce consumption. Small habits like removing excess weight and limiting air conditioning can also add up to meaningful savings over time. In this video, I will explain how to improve fuel efficiency of petrol car, full guide. Check air filter, spark plugs, and fuel system to ensure complete combustion and optimal efficiency. A well-maintained engine runs smoother and uses less petrol, reducing trips to the pump. Regular inspections catch minor problems early, preventing costly fuel-wasting repairs and improving overall driving confidence. In this video, I will review how to improve fuel efficiency of petrol car, full guide. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading while waiting at the pump or on long trips with a glare-free screen and long battery life. If you like this tip, subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to improve fuel efficiency of petrol car, full guide. Adopt gentle acceleration, anticipate traffic, and coast to decelerate when safe to cut fuel usage. Shift early within recommended RPM ranges and avoid lugging the engine under load. Combine trips and choose off-peak times to reduce stop-and-go driving, which is one of the biggest killers of fuel economy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.